Hello guys, and today we're going to play with this fidget cube. And first we're going to show you how it works. So I'll start with this one first. It's just one of these ones, which is going like that. And the next one I'm going to go on this one. It spins and presses. And then this one is just some clicky buttons that you can click. Like that. And this one is some things that you have to squish. And this is for switching, like going up and down. It's kind of like a lever. Okay. And this one, I don't really know what this one is. So then this one is another squishy toy. And it can also move around like this. And then this one is a clicky button. And this one is just for a spinning thing, wherever it's called. And then this one is just for rubbing, I think. So now we're going to start. So we have to show you. So first we're going to turn the switch on the PS5. See? Then next we have to turn the volumes and the game. So this is going to be the volume. Put the volume just right there. And then this is going to be the brightness. I'm going to put the brightness right about there. Like that. And then the games. So the game settings I'm going to put in the middle. So, you know, it's good. Put that bit down like that. The next we're going to play the game. And bye guys.